Dear viewers, welcome to my channel and thank you very much for watching this video. Today we are going to discuss about clock time, and today's our topics is quarter to time. So let's go to start our topics. Look at the screen. On the screen we can see a clock picture without hand, and I colored this clock picture in two different color, and I split this clock into two part. Let me get my pen. You can see on the right hand side is green color and left hand side is gray color. So this right side and down is left side. So if the clock hand, the minute hand is on the right hand side, then the time is past. And if the clock hand is left side, is 2. So in my previous video, I already discussed with you about 4 o'clock, and I also discussed with you about quarter past, and I also discussed with you about half past. So for 4 o'clock, the minute hand is always like this. Let me show you. Minute hand you saw is like this, and quarter past, the minute hand you saw on 3, and for half past, minute hand was on 6. So when the minute hand is on pointing at 12, that means that time is 0 o'clock. I'm just writing this on. O'clock. And when the minute hand is pointing at 3, and this time is quarter past. And when the minute hand is pointing at 6, it is half past. So these three things, these three topics we already discussed in my previous video, in my 3 previous videos. So it is half past. So here is 0 o'clock. If his minute hand is here pointing at 3, this quarter past, and if his minute hand pointing at 6, it is half past. Now today we're going to talk about quarter to. That means the minute hand is pointing on 9. and you can see the picture before is left side. If his minute hand is on left side, then the time is always 2. And if his minute hand is the right side, his time is always past. So this time the minute hand is pointing at 9, and you can see 1 quarter left to get the full hour. So this is 1 quarter of the whole circle, and means is like 15 minutes left to get the full hour. So that's why this time will be quarter to hour time. So now let's go to see the next picture, then it will be more easy for you to understand what we are going to learn today. Look at this clock. Here, the minute hand start its journey from here. And is start its journey from here, from 12. And it's moved away round half here, and then another quarter until here. That means it's 1 quarter, 2 quarter means half, and 3 quarter journey the minute hand already completed. Now another quarter is left, and the same time the hour hand start its journey from 1. When the minute hand was on 12, the hour hand was 1 here, and with the minute hand, because the minute hand is going fast and hour hand is going slow, so when a minute hand start from here to going and arrived here on 9, and hour hand start journey from here and reached here, and its destination is on 2, when the minute hand will be on 12, but is left. The minute hand is not finished its journey. So we need to know the time when it is on 9. The time will be quarter to. And which hour? 2 o'clock, because the hour hand destination is on 2 o'clock. So this is the new time hour, because before you learn 4 o'clock, quarter past, half past, but this time you're learning quarter to, and it is different timing. It's quarter to 2, because before you learn quarter past 1 or half past 1, and this time is we counting the next hour, because the minute hand is already completed its 3/4 journey and 1 quarter left. That's why we counting always next hour. So let me discuss with you with another picture, and it will be more easy. At the same time, look at here. The minute hand start its journey from here, from 12, and is moved away round and is arrived on 9. That means when you see the minute hand is on 9 and hour hand next time is 2, that means we can say this time is quarter to 2. So you can see on the right hand side I mentioned some note to understand this clock time. So the minute hand is pointing at 9. The minute hand is pointing at 9. Then the time is quarter to the next hour. Next hour. This is exceptional than before. So you have to tell the hour time is next one, not the previous one. The next number that the hour hand will reach is 2. That means is destination. The hour hand destination is 2. This means the time shows is a quarter to 2. So I hope now you understand how you gonna say quarter to our time. Let's go to the next page, then will be you can practice more activity, then it will be helpful for you to understand quarter two. So in the first picture, you can see the minute hand as usual is on 9 o'clock, and hour hand is before 12. That means it's the hour hand destination is 12. Let me circle this one. And minute hand is pointing at 9. So the time will be quarter to 2. So sorry, I'm very sorry, it's 12 o'clock. It should be 12. So quarter to 2. So this clock showing the time is quarter to 12. The next one, you can see the minute hand is pointing 9. So that means it's quarter to. And hour hand destination is 1 o'clock. So the time is, please pause the video and try to do yourself, then you can check your answer with me. The time will be quarter to 1. So I hope now is easy to say quarter to time. The next one, please again pause the video and you can try yourself first and then you can check your answer with me. So minute hand is pointing at 9, that means is quarter to, and hour hand destination is 5 o'clock because this next time is 5. You can see I colored different way, that means this journey left for hour hand. So the time is quarter to 5. I'm just writing short way. Q for quarter to 5. So this is the correct answer. Now let's go to try more clock time, and it will be more helpful for you to learn more. So look at the clock picture. You can see the minute hand pointing at 9, and the hour hand destination is 7 o'clock because it's just before 7. So the time is I mean quarter, Q means quarter to 7. Please pause the video and you can try this 2 clocks time and then you can check your answer with me. So the minute hand is pointing 9, that means it's quarter to, and our hand destination is on 10. It will be quarter to 10. Time is quarter to 10. Same way, if you look at this clock, the minute hand is pointing on 9, and our hand is just before 9. So the 9 is destination, it's destiny. So the time is 8:45. Obviously, when you give the answer in your worksheet, you have to spell quarter. Quarter to 9. So it's very easy. Simple is that if you see any question and they ask you what time it is, and then if you can see the minute hand is on pointing on at 9, simple way is 8:45, and the which hour, the next hour. You need to cycle the next hour, that means it's 8:45. Now let's go to see what other activity we need to practice. As usual, I always give you to do drawing the hour and minute hand for particular time. So this time the same. Draw the hands on this clock face to show the times on the below. So in each clock, under the clock, you can see some the particular time, and our job is to draw the hands, minute hands and hour hands, exactly where they should be. Let's go to try. The time is 11:45, so it's very easy. We know that it's 11:45 time. Then is minute hand should point at 9, like this. And the question is where our hand should be. So it is 11:45. So the hour hand destiny is on 12, but it's not exactly on 12, just before 12, because 1/4 time is left. So that means it's just before 12, not middle, just before 12. I think it's in my, and it's showing this between 12, 11 and 12. So it's wrong. Obviously, when you draw, you using your ruler, so you just point here and put a point here, a tiny point, and then you can try to join the line. Then it'll be helpful to draw the hour hand. So this is the time, 11:45. So please pause the video and try to do yourself, and then you can check your answer with me. So this one is 7:45, and very simple is you need to draw the minute hand and it's pointing on 9. So minute hand should point on 9. This is 11:45 time, and our hand should be just before 8. I mean, just draw a point here and draw another point here, then you can join. Our hand. So this is the this time is 7:45. The next one, same way, pause the video and you can try yourself, and then you can check your answer with me. This is 3:15. So the minute hand should be pointing at 9, like this, and our hand just before 3 o'clock. So that means here. So draw a point, and then you can join the line, and it will be our hand. So this is the time for 2:45. So if you practice like this way, and I hope it will be easy for you to learn quarter to time. And please practice with this few clock, and I hope it will be easy for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. And if you need, you can watch this video 2 times or 3 times, as many times as you want, and it will be really helpful for you to learn the time quarter to. And I will come back to you with more different kind of timing. So please keep watching, and thank you very much. Bye bye.